Welcome to Allowed to Talk. And this is my dog, Abby here, German Shepherd. Sweetest, kindest dog in the world. When she's barking at cats, I tell her to whisper, so she'll go instead of barking like crazy. You know how loud a German Shepherd can bark. But she was born with a litter, I think, of 10. She was the only girl, and she was food motivated from the start, they said. She liked her food. With 9 siblings, she became like this. She don't bite, but she gets like that growly stuff. Trying to take her food. That's her food. Possessiveness. So mental health issues? Oh, heck yeah. There she is, our baby girl, guarding her food. She doesn't want to lose it. I know she needs work. Don't know if I need the dog whisperer because she doesn't bite. Really? Do I need to call him? Do I? Should I call the dog whisperer? Guess I don't have to. So just keep dancing.